In a vast, sun-kissed savannah, lived a young leopard named Leo. He was known for his striking spots and unmatched agility, but he was also infamous for his fear of heights. One day, while chasing a gazelle, Leo found himself cornered on the edge of a cliff. The gazelle, sensing his fear, leapt over the precipice, leaving Leo behind. Feeling humiliated, Leo decided he must conquer his fear. He began to climb the tallest trees in the savannah, starting with the smallest saplings. Each day, he would climb a little higher, pushing his limits, and eventually, he mastered the art of climbing. One day, while perched on a high branch, Leo saw the gazelle again. This time, the gazelle was trapped in a hunter's snare. Leo knew he had to act quickly, but the only way to reach the gazelle was to leap across a chasm. Leo hesitated, his heart pounding. His mind was filled with doubt and fear. But he remembered the humiliation he felt earlier and the determination he had promised himself. Taking a deep breath, Leo closed his eyes and leapt. For a moment, time seemed to stand still as he soared through the air. When he landed safely on the other side, he felt an overwhelming sense of relief and pride. The gazelle was freed and Leo returned to the ground a hero. From that day forward, Leo no longer feared heights. He realized that sometimes, to overcome our fears, we must take a leap of faith. And so, the story of Leo serves as a reminder to us all. When faced with our fears, let us remember to take a deep breath, close our eyes, and leap towards our dreams, for faith in ourselves can carry us further than we ever thought possible. Moral: overcoming fear requires courage and faith in oneself.